Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning, students.
Good morning.
Yeah, how are you today?
I am fine, thank you. And you?
Yeah, I am very well, thank you. I hope all of you are in a good condition so we can study this lesson happily. Yeah. Before we start our lesson today, let's have a moment of silence first, hoping that our lesson today will be blessed by Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala and run smoothly. Okay, Mbak Sekarhani, please lead your friend to have a prayer first.
Pray together. Finish.
Okay, thank you, Mbak Sekarhani. Yeah. Okay, students. Today we will study about English lesson. Yeah. But before we continue our lesson today, I want to ask you some question. Did you still remember about our materials last meeting?
Tentang there are sama there is.
Yeah, yeah. And now we will continue our lesson. Yeah, still about there is and there are, but we will study the positive, negative, and also interrogative form of there is and there are. Okay. We still study about chapter 6, our basic root, but we are going to study about, this is the basic competence, kompetensi dasarnya. And then our goal of learning today, tujuan kita belajar hari ini adalah we will differentiate there is or there are in the form of positive, negative, or interrogative, ya, using quizzes. Nanti kita belajar pakai quizzes ya. And then we will construct there is or there are in the form of positive, negative, and also interrogative. Now, Putriana have a picture. Let's observe this picture. And I want two of you to read this dialogue. Mbak Gendis and Mbak Sekarya. Can you please help me to read this dialogue for your friends? Mbak Gendis and Mbak Sekar.
What are there on the road?
Yeah.
There are some pedestrians.
Very good. Yeah, and then?
Is there a car on the road?
Yes.
Yes, there is.
Very good.
Are there any motorcycle?
No, there are not.
Yes.
There are not any motorcycle on the road.
Yeah, very good. Yeah, you have a good pronunciation. Okay, from this dialogue, this is sentence number 1, sentence number 2, number 3, and also number 4. Yeah. Sentence number 1, what is the type of or the form of the sentence? Coba kalimat yang nomor 1 ini berbentuk apa? There are
Positive.
Very good, positive ya. Ya. Sentence number 1 is positive form ya, berbentuk positif. How about number 2? Is there a car on the road? What is the form of the sentence?
Interrogative.
Interrogative, bagus sekali. Very good ya. This is interrogative sentence ya. What is the difference between positive and interrogative? Perbedaannya apa? Siapa yang tahu? Siapa yang tahu? Bagaimana perbedaan bentuknya antara positif dan?
Yang positif there are. Kalau interrogatif itu is there.
Oke, very good ya. Kalau positif itu there are, kalau pertanyaan be-nya, to be-nya dipindah ke depan ya. How about sentence number 4? Bagaimana kalau kalimat yang keempat? What is the form of?
Negative.
Negative, very good. This form is negative sentence ya. In negative sentence, we add the word. Kita tambahi kata apa ini?
Not.
Not. Iya, ini siapa tadi yang jawab ya? Kita tambahi dengan kata not. Oke, let's continue our material. Kita lanjutkan ya. Nah, ini our goal tadi, tujuan kita belajar tadi ya. Let's check this video. Semoga bisa diputar.
There is and there are indicate what is in a place. There is singular. There is a table. There are is plural. There are chairs. You can make a contraction with there is. There's a table. You can't make a contraction with there are. To make it negative, you add the word not. There is not a sink. There are not curtains. You can also make contractions. There isn't a sink. There aren't curtains. To make a question, you just change the order of the words. The verb goes first. Is there a table? Yes, there is. Is there a sink? No, there isn't. Are there chairs? Yes, there are. Are there curtains? No, there aren't.
From that video, we can have a conclusion like this. Ini ringkasan video tadi, ya. In the positive form, there is followed by noun, ya. But there are followed by plural noun. Okay. In the negative sentence, we add the word not. Tadi ditambahi kata not, ya. After there is or there are. Jadi setelah there is atau there are, kita tambahi dengan kata not. Not. What is the meaning of not? Apa artinya not? Apa artinya? Tidak, iya, tidak atau enggak. Oke, any question? Ada yang ingin bertanya? Ada yang ingin ditanyakan? Tidak ada? Kalau tidak ada, if there is no question, I will continue our slide. Oke, kita akan belajar how to pronounce some words. Ya, nanti ikuti saja ya. Car. Nah, bacanya
Car.
car. Ya, very good. And then road.
Road.
Ya, pedestrian.
Pedestrian.
Very good. Nah, this is some exercise for you. I want some of you to read this dialogue and complete the dialogue. So, dialogue number 1. Who wants to answer dialogue number 1?
Is there an eraser in the drawer?
Iya, bagus sekali. Kelihatan. Is there an eraser in the drawer?
Penghapus di meja.
Iya, apakah ada penghapus di laci ini? Nah, what is the answer? Jawabnya apa?
No, there is not.
Very good. No, there is not. Ya, and then yuk dilanjutkan lagi. Siapa tadi yang nomor 1? What are there in the drawer? There are books, a ruler, and an apple. Nah, seperti itu ya. Okay, number 2. Are there any
Dodo, are there any
cushion
cushion on the sofa?
Yeah.
Raihan titik-titik. Dodo, how many cushion are there? Raihan titik-titik. Dijawab sekalian, Miss.
Ya, okay. What is the answer?
2, Miss. Ada 2.
Yes.
Yes, there are.
Yeah, yes, there are. How many cushions are there?
There are many cushions.
2 cushions on the sofa. Nah, siapa tadi yang belum menjawab ya? Mbak Mas Ayu Almira? Ya, number 3. Is
Is there a policeman on the bus stop? No, there is not.
very good. No, there is not. Ya, and then terus lagi Mbak Zahra, Mbak Mas Ayu. What
What
are
are there on the bus stop?
what are there on the bus stop? There are, karena orangnya lebih dari 1. Many people on the bus stop. Okay. There are many people on the bus stop. Nah, seperti itu jawabannya. Any question? Feel free to ask ya. In the next, Putriana has a quizzes. Nah, I think our activity today is enough. Yeah, I think the time is up. But before we end this lesson, I want to ask you, what is the conclusion of our lesson today?
The conclusion of what we studied earlier, we have studied about there is, there are in the form of positive, negative, and interrogative.
Very
In
good.
negative,
Yeah. And then?
in negative form, we add the word not in the middle,
Yes.
and in interrogative form, we put is or are in the beginning.
Yes, good job. Yeah, this is our conclusion today. What is the difference of the use some and any? Siapa yang mau menjawab? What is the difference?
Some used in positive form and any used in negative and interrogative.
Yeah, that's good. That's correct. Yeah. Thank you very much, Mbak Najwa. Yeah. Students, thank you very much for your attention. Yeah. Thank you very much also for joining my lesson. Yeah. See you again next week. Itulah akhiri dulu. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Ya, bye semuanya. Terima kasih. Kita belum